Welcome to SEEDTOLIFE. The fall has officially begun in Texas, and we already had the first blast of cold weather last week when the first freeze came. It lasted for about 2 to 3 days, and I had to rush to bring in my beloved plants indoors and in the garage. The weather is now better again, but sudden heavy rainfall, temperature changing throughout the day, makes me concerned about the delicate plants that I have. Every time the weather gets bad, the beautifully grown plants suffer some damage, and even if they survive the harsh winter, it takes them several weeks to recover from it. It is also hard to start new seedlings outdoors if the temperature fluctuates more than 20 degrees Fahrenheit in just a few hours. Changing weather can cause a lot of frustration to gardeners. So the best solution to keep the plants healthy is to get a grow light to give your plants stable growing conditions. And today I have got a new one. This video is sponsored by Barrina. Barrina is one of the leading brands in the field of plant grow lights. They have a portfolio of grow lights, and today I'm going to unbox this Barrina T10 Grow Light. This is a vertical grow light 47 inches tall that comes with a stand. It is energy efficient at 42 watts and comes with 169 LEDs which provide a full spectrum grow light with side and wide illumination. I'm very excited to show you this grow light. Let's first open it, and then as I show you this grow light, we'll get more information about grow lights in general and see if Barrina T10 is a best fit for your plants. The grow light arrived in perfect condition. The box is well packaged. The light is secured pretty well using foam to prevent any damage during transport. Attached to the light is this electric cord with a switch to turn it on and off. This is the stand or tripod on which the grow light attaches if you want to keep it vertical. Alternatively, you can hang it horizontally on plant stand using these ties and holders. It gives you the flexibility to use it depending on your needs and preferences. The tripod comes with this wrench that can help you tighten the screw on this tripod. You can keep the stand tall or short depending on how tall you want the light to be. I can't believe that we are already done with the installation of the light. It was super easy. The electric cable is 7.54 feet long, which gives you additional flexibility to move the light to different spots if you have a lot of plants like me. I can easily use this light in the garage where I can keep changing its position to keep it near different plants. It is very convenient for me as I don't have to move the plants around anymore. I can easily lift this light and move around because it weighs only 600 grams. Using it as a vertical light allows you to provide light to plants of different heights ranging from less than 5 inches to more than 5 feet tall. You can arrange the plants around in such a way that it can cover multiple plants at a time. This vertical design is so convenient because before I used to struggle with the hanging lights or fixed lights while adjusting the distance from the plants. And some plant leaves used to get burnt whereas the others used to struggle to absorb the light. You can also use it for seed germination or for small plants on the stand. As I mentioned earlier, this Barrina T10 Grow Light is very light and has a sleek minimalistic appearance. It is pretty bright with 4500 lumens. You can easily keep it in one corner surrounded by the plants, and it will also work like a normal lamp. Just avoid looking directly at it. Why? Because even though plants need bright lights, our eyes don't. One shouldn't look at bright lights directly as it can cause damage to the eyes. It is true for any bright light, LED or non-LED. If you have to work near the plants with the light on, you can use sunglasses to protect your eyes or simply switch it off while you are working near it. Here you can see these small squares are LEDs. There are a total of 169 of them. They emit different colored lights. Now if you are new to using grow lights and if these numbers like 169 LEDs or 660 nanometers confuse you, then let me explain them to you briefly. Grow lights are used either as a replacement or for supplementing the natural light when not enough sunlight is available for plants. Many of you might already know that the sunlight is actually a mixture of different light spectra of many colors that unite to give us a natural white light. Leaves of plants contain different pigments such as chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, beta carotene, and other supplementary pigments. All these pigments absorb different colored lights to carry out various plant activities. The blue and red light is absorbed by the top layers of leaves and used by chlorophyll pigments to do photosynthesis. So, chlorophyll is responsible for making food for plants. Red and purple lights are responsible for activities like different life processes of plants like seed germination, shade avoidance, blooming time, bud development, vegetative development, root growth, and nutrient uptake. So, in short, we need a grow light that can fulfill the demands of plants, a full spectrum one. According to product specification, Barrina T10 is a full spectrum grow light that specifically contains 660 nanometers red spectrum of light, which is perfect for the plants in different stages of development. Whether you have new seedlings, young plants, or mature plants, it can cater the needs of all plants. Isn't it great? I'm keeping these plants near this grow light for the past couple of days, and I'm seeing that the plants are looking happy. Their leaves are looking green and they are shiny, so I think the grow light is working for them. Overall, I feel that Barrina T10 is a great choice for indoor plants or for plants overwintering in your garage. Its flexible design allows you to use it as a vertical or as a horizontal grow light. The long cable and lightweight allows you to move it around depending on where you want to keep it. The full spectrum of the light takes care of the different needs of the plants. The 4500 lumen brightness fulfills the light requirements for most plants. The sleek design and pleasing looks actually brightens up and saves space. It is a good value for money as it can cover multiple plants and wider area at a time. Finally, based on research, it is one of the highly rated grow lights on Amazon. You can follow the link to find out more, and you can also find the links to purchase this product on Amazon in the description. Thanks to you for watching my videos and supporting my channel Seed to Life. Please click subscribe for more such videos and updates. Click the bell icon to get notified about future videos, and feel free to reach out to me through comments, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. If you have any questions, I am posting the links in the description. I would love to hear your suggestions and would like to know the news of your garden. Happy gardening. Thank you again. See you soon.